of 2y minus x is equal minus 6 and 5x minus 2y is equal 18. So answer for that. So here is equal 2y and 5x, 3x and 2y. So the first of all, grouping the term at the same level, we begin to 3 minus 3x plus 2y is equal minus 6. 5x minus 2y is equal 18. So this is simultaneous question. We can resolve this by using elimination method. How to solve this by using elimination method? So we find the coefficients. We equalize the coefficients. Here is equal 3 and 5. Here is equal 2 and minus 2. So we find that 2 and minus 2 are the same, y and y. So we add this. Then when we add this, we take this plus that. Minus 3x plus 5x is equal to 2x. So this is equal to 0 because 2y minus 2y is equal to 0 plus 0y is equal. This is equal what? Minus 6 plus 18 is equal 12. So this is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal 12. X is equal 12 over 2 by division for that. Then x is equal 6. So this is the value of x. How to find the y? To find the y, we can take this x replace in one of these equation. So for example, we can replace in that equation, we have minus 3x plus 2y is equal minus 6. So the value of x is equal to 6. This is equal minus 3 times 6 plus 2y is equal minus 6. Minus 3 times 6 is equal minus 18 plus 2y is equal minus 6. So then 2y is equal minus 6. When you move this in that side, plus 18. So 2y is equal 12. Y is equal 12 over 2. Then y is equal 6. Also, the value of y is equal 6. Also, you can check this by replacing x, y in our equation. So we can check x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 6, then you take this 6 times minus 3 is equal minus 18. Take y and replacing to that is equal plus 12. Then minus 18 plus 12 is equal minus 6. So then the solution of that question is the couple of x, y. So then solution is equal the couple of 6, 6. So this is the answer for that question. Okay, thank you for following this question. Good. Remember to subscribe.